Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. In JSS 2, how are you doing? I believe you are all enjoying your, I don't know if I should call this a holiday or the lockdown break. Anyways, that doesn't stop you from studying at home. That doesn't stop you from going through your notes. And that doesn't stop you from doing your assignment as well. Alright, so this is a lesson 5. And our topic for today is parler du sport comme profession. Parler du sport, they are muted sport here. Parler du sport comme profession. Alors tout d'abord, la date d'aujourd'hui c'est lundi le 22 juin 2020. Lundi le 22 juin 2020. Titre de la leçon, parler du sport comme profession. En anglais, ça veut dire sport as a profession. It's a very brief and very easy to understand topic. We've been looking at sport, different types of sport. Today we are going to look at sport as a profession. We are going to look at some sports and how we call those who practice those sports in French. The first one is le foot. Remember I told you the foot is what? In French we call it le foot, which is football. Le foot. So, a man who is a footballer in French is called un footballeur. Répétez après moi. Un footballeur. Un footballeur. And a female that practices football as a profession is called une footballeuse. Répétez. Une footballeuse. Footballeuse. Okay, the next one is la boxe. La boxe. Remember that box means boxing. And a male that practices boxing is called un boxeur. Un boxeur. Un boxeur. And a female, of course you have female boxers. A female that practices box in French is called une boxeuse. Une boxeuse, that's a female boxer. And then the third one is la lutte. You know what la lutte is? Wrestling. Wrestling. La lutte. La lutte. La lutte. And a male that practices la lutte is called un lutteur. Un lutteur. Répétez. Un lutteur. And a female is called une lutteuse. Sorry about this. Une lutteuse. That is a wrestler, a female wrestler. Une lutteuse. And then we have l'athlétisme. That means athletics. L'athlétisme. Anybody who is either who is a male practicing athletics is called un athlète. Un athlète. Un athlète. And a female is called une athlète. The same spelling. Only you have to differentiate with the articles to know, for one to be able to know if it's a female or a male you're talking about. Then la natation. Remember la natation means swimming. Swimming. A male swimmer is called un nageur. Un nageur. It's from the verb nager. Nager, which means to swim. Un nageur. While a female is une nageuse. Une nageuse. Un nageur. Une nageuse. And then le karaté. You know what the karate, of course. Now, le karate. For a male who practices karate as a profession, it's called un karateka. Un karateka. And for a female, the same thing, une karateka. Une karateka. And then we have basketball. Le basketball. Le basketball. For a male that practices basketball as a profession, is called un basketteur. Un basketteur. Un basketteur. And for a female, she's called une basketteuse. Une basketteuse. Okay, then the next one is volleyball. Le volleyball. Le volleyball. For a male practicing volleyball as a profession, he is called un volleyballeur. Un volleyballeur. And a female is une volleyballeuse. Une volleyballeuse. And then dance, like dance, you know, I told you dancing is also a sport. People do dance, ballet, and all that is also a sport. Like dance, for somebody who practices dance, a male, who practices dance as a profession, we call him un danseur. Un danseur. And for a female, it is une danseuse. Une danseuse. Okay. For number 10, la course, which means race, racing, racing. Any male who practices racing as a profession is called un coureur. Un coureur. Un coureur. And a female is called une coureuse. Une coureuse. Une coureuse. Okay, now, with this we come to the end of this topic. We will not end without our assignment as usual. Now, here we have 5 sentences. 5 sentences which you are going to complete yourself. I'm going to read the instructions. I'm going to read the instruction, but I'm not going to interpret the instruction in French, in English. By reading it, you'll be able to know where I'm going. I made it 5 initially, but I'm going to make it 6 now. Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson. I believe we all know Mike Tyson. We all know who Mike Tyson is. Now, all these people you are seeing from number 1 to number 2, all these names are names of people who are practicing one sport or the other as a profession. That is what they use to make their living. Okay? That's what they are known for. That's what they are popular for. So, the first one, you are going to complete them yourself. Okay? So, the instruction says, complétez les phrases suivantes en indiquant les professions des personnages mentionnés. Ok? Complétez les phrases suivantes en indiquant les professions des personnages mentionnés. Numéro 1. Kanu Wankwo est un dash. You complete it yourself. Number 2. Yemi Alade est une dash. You all know Yemi Alade and you know what she does. 3. Hulk Hogan est un dash. 4. Michael Bolt est un dash. 5. JJ Okocha est un dash. And the last one, Mike Tyson est un dash. Please do this assignment. I will be waiting. I will be impatiently waiting for your assignment. Now, if you want to call me, if you have any question, if there's something you don't understand, you are free to call me on this line. 0706 278 5944. I'm not on WhatsApp for now because my phone was stolen, and for the meantime, I'm just on call, not on WhatsApp for now. So feel free to call me at any time, and with this, we come to the end of lesson 5. Take care of yourself and stay cool.